And I get out here on the bike and it's like, duh, what do I want to talk about?
Welcome to Motor Rambler.
Alright, YouTube. Today is Thursday, June the 18th, 2020. I am just now leaving the Trust General Store, partway up NC 209. Swap the cameras around a little bit, just want to see what happens on the way back. I believe that one there, the GoPro Hero 7, I think the battery's going to die before too long. As you can see, I have an empty spot there where the Vivitar, the battery already died. And I put the GoPro Hero 3 right in front of the helmet. Now my guess is it's going to be too much wind noise and this audio won't be any good. Let's tilt this up so you're not staring at my dashboard the whole time. Alright, I'm on 209 heading back toward Hot Springs. I'm doing 60 miles an hour at the moment, and I'm assuming the wind noise is just going to be way too much. But I wanted to try it anyway. And I only just now got back on the bike after 46 days of not riding. Yes, you heard that right. The last time I was able to get on one of my motorcycles was 46 days ago. So despite the fact that the weather is not good, you can see it's very cloudy, off and on rain, I had to get out on the bike. There was just no way I wasn't going to ride today, now that I can. Even despite this weather, I was riding. And of course, you've heard me on 209 on occasions. I've been on this road many times because from my house, I can do a really nice loop, including 209, including 63 up and over Doggett Mountain, which I did not do today. I'm actually backtracking. I've already been on 209 once, coming up toward Trust. I normally do a loop, but with the weather the way it is, I just had this distinct feeling I was going to be riding right up into the clouds if I went up and over the top of Doggett Mountain. So anyway, I'm on 209, heading back toward Hot Springs, hoping that the roads are at least somewhat dry. Had a little bit of a rain shower while I was at the store having a snack. And so that's what's going on today. It is Thursday. I have been released back to work to full duty, but with a restriction on the number of hours I can work, which I guess that's what the doctors wanted. Doesn't make much sense to me, but I was able to leave after 4 hours today, and I was getting out on the bike no matter what. And the road is still very wet, but as you can see, the sun is coming out, so that's kind of nice. Maybe it'll dry it up real good, and maybe I'll extend this ride even more. Anyway, just wanted to check in, say hi to y'all, test out the cameras as well. And my last day of riding was May 2nd. I rode my Vstrom to work and home from work, and I actually did a little vlog, and it was one of the few times that I felt like what I actually recorded while I was on the bike, I could actually use in a video. I don't know about you guys, but I tend to do a lot of yakking that doesn't make it to the video because I listen to it and I think, what in the world? You know, sometimes it's the quality and sometimes it's just the content. Just me just rambling on about nothing, which I guess is part of it, but I am going to try to get back into doing some sort of vlogging. It seems to be a pretty popular thing, but it also seems like a pretty good way of documenting the ride as it happens, documenting what I'm thinking, what I'm feeling, how I'm feeling. Like, not real thrilled with the road being soaking wet when it's super twisties like what I'm on now. And yeah, not real thrilled with the fact that it started raining again. Oh well. That's alright. I'm riding my motorcycle, so I'm not going to complain. But anyway, yeah, having all this time off of work and not being able to do much of anything at the house either, I've been able to really keep up with a lot of your videos. And I gotta admit, I'm a little envious. I don't know how you do it, but you guys are always coming up with topics that 99% of the time is something that I'm like, hey, that's pretty cool. Oh, I really enjoyed that conversation, even though it was just, you know, one-sided. And I get out here on the bike and it's like, duh, what do I want to talk about? What is there to talk about? So I envy you guys who come up with these subjects and are able to talk about it and keep it going for a while. I'm quite impressed. But I am going to start again trying to vlog, start again trying to come up with subjects, whether they're silly, whether they're somewhat intellectual. Nah, no intellectual with me. That's like an oxymoron. Only half of it actually applies. Anyway, back to more reasonable things. Now see, this is where the vlog sounds horrible to me, because I'm losing a train of thought. I don't know what to say next, and so I just go, yeah. As I'm recording this right now, I'm thinking, yeah, this will never see the light of YouTube, because it's just horrible. So anyway, because it is so horrible, I think I'm going to start over. Goodbye.